Jai Swaminarayan and welcome to Voices of Creativity, the podcast of Sarvanaman Vidya Mandir. Recently, our school held creative assembly competition in which each house presented something unique, inspiring and truly creative. So, we have few students here who will share what they learned from this experience. So, let's hear their voices. So, our first guest is Tulsi. So, Tulsi, what did you learn from the creative assembly?
For me, the best learning was building confidence. I presented the daily affirmations without holding a paper, and I was so happy that I could speak effortlessly. It taught me how to stay calm on stage and communicate with clarity.
Thank you, Tulsi. Now, let's hear from King. Please share your experience.
Yes, anchoring was a wonderful experience. I learned how to introduce segments smoothly, use voice modulation, and stay alert throughout the assembly. Also, making the PowerPoint presentation was something new for me. I learned how to choose colors, fonts, and pictures that match the concept. It improved my creativity and presentation skills.
Amazing. Now, let's hear about performances. Arya, tell us about skits and dances.
The skits were full of creativity and learning. Every house came up with different stories and messages. The head girl and the cultural captain of our school amazed everyone by performing solo dances with grace and enthusiasm. I too dressed up as Lord Krishna, and the entire experience was waking up early, getting ready in a costume, applying makeup, and stepping onto the stage was incredibly encouraging and joyful. It made me feel more connected, confident, and excited to be the part of Creative Assembly.
Thank you, Arya. Now, Madhvi, tell us, what did Creative Assembly teach you?
The most special part for me was our new prayer. Practicing it made me feel so calm and focused. It also gave a sense of unity among all participants. I also love that we introduced new words like MCs, moderators, section head for vocabulary section, linguistic corpus. This made the assembly look more professional and engaging. Lastly, I learned the importance of teamwork, where with guided support of the house masters, teachers, and peers, where every student could shine.
Amazing. Now, we have Vensi with us. Vensi, what was your takeaway? For me, the thought for the day and vocabulary segment were truly amazing. Whatever our English teachers and principal ma'am had been encouraging us to do, presenting without paper, delivering the message through a talk, show, interview, or skit, was beautifully achieved. Every house performed these segments in a highly creative way. The enactments were perfect. The clarity of speech was truly impressive. All the houses presented the segments, making a highlight of the creative assembly. Thank you, Vensi. Now, Nishtha, what fascinated you the most?
My takeaway was amazing facts segment. The facts were relevant to the theme, truly engaging, and many of my friends presented it with remarkable poise and confidence. One of the houses even titled their segment as Nuggets of Truth, a refreshing and creative way to present amazing facts.
Thank you, Nishtha. Prutha, one part of the creative assembly was the news headlines. Did you find something creative in that as well?
Yes, certainly. One of the houses even gave a catchy title, News Blast. And Rani Lakshmibai and Madame Marie Curie House presented news along with the new pictures, which made it more interesting. And no doubt, the confidence with which my peers read out the news was truly appreciable. They delivered it so clearly and smartly that it felt like a real newsroom.
Brilliant. Finally, we have Adya. What was your takeaway?
For me, the best part was freedom to think creatively, from planning skits to choosing background music and designing slides. It encouraged us to think beyond the usual. I realized that creativity is not about perfection, it's about expressing ideas confidently and passionately.
Thank you everyone for sharing such wonderful reflection. The Creative Assembly was not just a competition. It was a journey of confidence, creativity, teamwork, discipline, presentation skills, performing arts, and spiritual grounding with a theme like Bhagavad Gita. A special thanks to the house masters and the teachers for the encouragement and guidance. And of course, the students were very motivated and confident after knowing that the judges were Swikrut Didi and Principal Ma'am, which inspired them to give their very best. This is Vaishnavi signing off from Voices of Creativity. Stay tuned for more such stories, talents, and inspiration from the students of Sarvanaman Vidya Mandir. Thank you
And Jai Swaminarayan.